Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to download and install the latest version of MPLAB X integrated development environment, that is IDE, along with MPLAB XC8 compiler for PIC microcontrollers. Let's get started. So let me just open the Google Chrome browser, and here you can type MPLAB X IDE, and you can find the microchip technology website link right over here. Just click on this link, and in the first page that is appearing, you can clearly see there is a download MPLAB X IDE button, and as I mentioned, this IDE is nothing but integrated development environment for microchip controllers. Just click on this, and here in the downloads tab you can see a Windows version of the software, Linux version of the software, Mac version of the software. So in our case I am just going to download this particular Windows version. So I am just clicking on this download button right over here. So the download has started. Let it download. Before closing this window, let me just scroll to the top, and you can find a search bar right over here. So here I can search MPLAB XC8 compiler. Just type in XC8 compiler. Sorry, compiler spelling is wrong. And now click on the first link that is appearing right over here. You will be diverted to a page where you can download the XC8 compiler also. You can see this is the compiler which we are going to utilize for compiling the PIC microcontroller based software. So let me just download this also. Just click on view downloads. You will be diverted to the latest version. Here also you can see there are 3 different versions of softwares available: Windows, Mac and Linux, and the latest version is 3.10. so let me just click on the download button right over here for starting the download of XC8. So it is also started. Let's wait for the download to complete. We have just downloaded the MPLAB X IDE and also the XC8 compiler for PIC microcontrollers. So both are useful for programming and compiling the software required for PIC microcontrollers, PIC 16F, 18F, 32F, etc. So now the download is complete. You can see we have 2 different setups downloaded. One is the MPLAB X IDE version 6.30 and another one is XC8 version 3.10. So both has been downloaded to our PC. Let me just run one by one for installing these 2 softwares in my Windows PC. First I am just going with this MPLAB XC8 compiler. Just double click on this. Click on yes in the window if it is asking for allowing the software to install in Windows PC. In the first window that is popping out right over here, just click on next. Here just click on the radio button. I accept the agreement and click on next. Next. And here you can just select the free right over here. That is the free radio button right over here and click on next. And in this particular tab you can change the installation directory. By default it will be inside the C program files microchip folder. Inside the microchip folder you could see a XC8 folder. Inside that you will be seeing a versioning folder. After that all the relevant files will be installed. So this is the default arrangement of folder structure where it will be installed, and you can just click on next if you are leaving this. If you want a special directory holding this compiler, you can change that by clicking on this particular icon. In my case I am just going to click on next. It is okay for me now, and here you can just click on next. If you want to add any path variable, you can just check this checkbox for adding the environment variable path, else you can leave this. Now Click on next right over here, next, and you can see the installation has been started. The XC8 compiler is being installed in my Windows PC. Let us wait for a while until this installation is over so that we can start the MPLAB X IDE installation. And finally, the XC8 compiler has been successfully installed in your PC. If you want a pro license to be purchased, you can click on this and you can purchase the license. If you want a trial version of 60-day for pro license, you can click on this particular link. But in my case, I am just going to utilize only the free version of the software. It has some limitation, but it is okay for a minimal development project and for learning purpose, or for a mini project and for building a small scale project. This is okay. So I'm just going to click on next and finish right over here in this particular tab, so that the installation of XC8 compiler is done. So now we successfully install the XC8 compiler in our Windows PC. Let's just start the MPLAB X IDE installation by double clicking on this particular setup icon in our downloads folder. I'm opening the setup of MPLAB X IDE right over here in my downloads folder by double clicking on this. If it is requesting this app to install in your Windows, just click on yes. In the first welcome tab, just click on the next button, and here in the second license agreement tab, check the radio button I accept the agreement and click on next right over here. Here also you can click on next, and here you can change the installation directory path, that is the MPLAB X IDE installation files will be stored right over here in C program files, microchip, MPLAB X, and further inside the folder v6.30. So if you want to dedicatedly store all the files that is going to be installed inside some other folder, you can just click on this particular icon and choose that particular folder, or you can give a direct path for that folder right over here. And in my case, I am not going to change this. I am just going to leave as it is inside the C drive, and I am going to click on next. And here it is requesting you what are all the things that you want to install in your Windows PC. First two things are applications that you want to install. So first one is the MPLAB X IDE, that is the integrated development environment, and the second one is the MPLAB IPE, that is the integrated programming environment. So this particular IPE can be utilized in case of bulb protection in your production unit. That is, if you want to provide a tool for programming your microcontrollers only using a dedicated hex file, you can utilize this particular MPLAB IPE. So I am just going to select these two, and below you can see choose which microchip device support you want to install. Here you can choose what are all the things that is dedicated for you. Installing everything takes a long time, and if you want you can install, no worries, but it also consumes a lot of space for each and every MCU variant. So I am just going to select I don't want this, I don't want 32-bit for now, I don't want DSP also. I am just going to select only 8-bit MCUs dedicated for PIC 16 of 18 of etc. Now I am just going to click on next. Now the setup is ready. Clicking the next button right over here will start the installation process on your PC for MPLAB X IDE and MPLAB IPE. Now I am just going to click on next right over here. You can see the installation has been started. Let's wait for a while for completing the MPLAB X IDE installation. So the installation of MPLAB X IDE is done in our Windows PC, and in this final tab you can see it is prompting you to get some softwares additionally, that is, if you want MPLAB XC DSC compiler, if you want XC16 compiler, XC32 compiler, and if you want to launch the MPLAB X IDE, or if you want to launch MPLAB IPE, then you can check the relevant checkbox. If you are checking this install latest MPLAB XC DSC compiler checkbox, it will be diverting you to a particular web link using which you can download and install that particular compiler. I don't want any of the extra compilers like XC DSC, XC16, XC32 for now. I'm just going to uncheck even this launch MPLAB X IDE. I'm just going to open the MPLAB X IDE using the icon available in the desktop. So I'm just going to click on finish by unchecking every other checkbox in this particular tab. Two softwares are installed in this installation process. One is the MPLAB X IDE and another one is the MPLAB IPE. As I mentioned, IPE is a programming environment which you can utilize for bulk programming in your production purpose. But this MPLAB X IDE is a development environment using which you can develop the relevant programs for your microchip controllers. That is the PIC microcontrollers. Let me just open the MPLAB X IDE by double clicking on this particular icon right over here in the desktop. So this is actually a programming environment graphical user interface which you can utilize for bulk production purpose. During the production process, you can utilize this IPE of MPLAB for programming the microcontrollers. So this is a free version, that is the MPLAB X IDE is a free version. If you want a pro license, you can purchase that, but which we have installed in this particular video is a free version. So you can start building your projects from scratch in microchip based microcontrollers in this particular MPLAB X IDE with XC8 compiler. So I hope in this particular video you learned how to download and install MPLAB X IDE with XC8 compiler for PIC microcontrollers, that is microchip based microcontrollers in this particular video. In the next video, we will try to create our first project in this particular IDE. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.